Hello, code enthusiasts and future programming legends. Welcome back to Coding Content, where we take the most complex programming concepts and break them down into bite-sized, sarcasm-infused nuggets of wisdom. Today, we're diving into the world of functions. Functions, the coolest way to make your code do more without you doing more. Imagine you're a wizard and functions are your spells. You cast them, and magic happens. Well, in the world of coding, functions are like these reusable spells that can turn mundane, repetitive tasks into streamlined processes. Need to convert a list of temperatures from Fahrenheit to Celsius? Just whip up a function and let it work its magic. No wand required. You see, the beauty of functions lies in their ability to encapsulate logic. You can write it once, and then, like the lazy genius you are, use it 100 times without breaking a sweat. It's the programming equivalent of meal prepping. Cook once, eat for days, or in this case, code once, execute endlessly. Now let's dive a bit deeper into what makes functions so darn cool. First, they help organize your code. Picture your program as a chaotic teenager's bedroom. Functions are like those neat little storage boxes you shove all the mess into, making it look like you have your life together. Who knew tidiness could be achieved with just a few curly braces? Functions also make your code more readable. When you name your function calculate total cost, anyone reading your code knows exactly what it does. It's like putting a sign on a door that says, bathroom. No one's going to walk in expecting a kitchen, unless you're in one of those weird, modern, open-plan spaces where nothing makes sense. But let's not go there. Now, some of you might be wondering, what about parameters and arguments? Think of parameters as the function's shopping list. They specify what the function needs to do its job. Arguments, on the other hand, are the groceries you actually buy. Parameters set the requirements. Arguments deliver the goods. It's a match made in coding heaven. And let's not forget about return values. These are like the doggy bags of the coding world. You send inputs into a function, and it gives you something nice to take back. Sometimes it's exactly what you wanted, sometimes it's a surprise. Either way, it keeps the process interesting. Functions also encourage the DRI principle, don't repeat yourself. Imagine writing the same block of code multiple times across your program. Not only does it make your codebase look like a copy-paste disaster, but it also increases the chance of bugs. Functions let you write code once, then call it whenever you need it. It's the laziest form of efficiency, and we love it. Now, let's talk about scope. No, not the mouthwash. Scope determines where your variables live and breathe. Inside a function, variables are local. They're like houseplants, only alive within their own little pot. Step outside, and they're gone. This keeps your code clean and prevents unexpected cross-contamination. Before we wrap up, a word of caution. Beware of overusing functions. Yes, they're amazing, but creating a function for every single line of code can lead to a tangled web that not even the most seasoned developer can untangle. Use functions wisely, like you would spicy hot sauce. A little goes a long way. So, there you have it. Functions. The multitasking, time-saving, code-organizing superheroes of programming. They're the ultimate tool in your coding toolkit, ready to save the day, one line of code at a time. That's all for today, folks. Let me know your function-related triumphs and disasters in the comments below. Until next time, keep casting those coding spells, and remember, life is too short to write repetitive code. Happy coding.